Launching your Shopify store and getting sales. Welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about how to successfully launch your Shopify store and start getting sales right away. So if you're new to e-commerce or looking to take your business online, Shopify is a fantastic platform to make that happen. We're going to get more concrete, and for that purpose, we're also going to use the example of launching a Shopify store for selling jewelry, which is going to be named as Luke's. So first things first, to set up your Shopify store, you're going to head over to shopify.com, sign up on shopify.com, which is pretty simple. You can sign it up for your free trial, or you can just, after 3 days, you can pay $1 for a month and head over. So first things first, you're going to choose a niche, and then secondly, then you'll have to select a theme to work with your Shopify online store and set up your product pages. So before anything, we're going to define the niche. For Luke's, the focus is on minimalist, high-quality jewelry that appeals to young professionals like Gen Z and Gen Alpha. So having a clear niche helps you target the right audience and makes you stand out. Now for the theme, let's head over. First, let's find products to sell. We can browse all of them through the sourcing app, and then let's head over to custom domain. There's so many different dropshipping apps, but for me, my favorite one is Saluhu, which is this amazing, trustworthy supplier for quality, top-notch, popular products. So the goal for our Shopify store is to have a clean, prestige jewelry that also gives off a luxurious vibe, right? So you can log in and start up. Let's just simply log in and get started. Now, once we've looked into the suppliers, then we're going to head over to customizing our theme. Now, to select a specific theme, we are going to keep it pretty simple and make it look very prestigious and give it a luxurious aesthetic. You can work that up with your customized theme, and once that theme is done, then you're ready to set up product pages. For now, let me just customize it with this one, or simply click on add theme right here. You can also upload a zip file if you have a theme that's downloaded from a different website, connect it from GitHub, or even you visit the Shopify theme store to get it. Let me just simply customize this one. Now it's super easy and simple to customize your Shopify store. You can add in the header, the templates, the image banner, as well as the logo. Let me simply choose this one. You can simply select the image or explore from the free template images that they have. We are going to be uploading an image from our computer, which is the logo that I have designed. It's this picture, which is Luke's, which is the brand logo. Let's just add this in and select, drag and drop this. Gonna be Luke's here, and simply click on open and click on done. Now with that being said, you see the background is being replaced by Luke's right here. We're gonna edit this product, and from here we are gonna set up our product page. As you can see in the template, it's a product page of t-shirts, but we are gonna be adding high quality images that are of jewelry pieces. You're gonna be using professional photos with multiple angles and close-ups to showcase the details. For example, if you're selling this minimalist gold bracelet, you're going to ensure that you have images showing the chain length, the clasp design, and how it looks like when it's worn. And we're also going to be writing compelling product descriptions that highlight the materials, craftsmanship, and any unique features. For example, it could go something like, let's edit this section. Instead of featured products, we are going to write down, let's edit this here. In the description, we are going to write down our Luke's gold necklace is crafted from 18 karat gold, offering a timeless piece that's wood durable and stylish, or something that is very descriptive. Now, once everything is done, you're going to click on save, and you're going to configure your store setting. And that way you have simply created a gateway on launching your store. Now that the store is really set up and it's running, after you've done all of the process, the one way to launch your store is to create pre-launch marketing, and then you're gonna head live. So for pre-launch marketing, you're gonna start building anticipation before your store even goes live, right? So you're gonna use social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest as well as TikTok, which are heavily visual and they're ideal for jewelry. You're going to share sneak peeks of your products, behind the scenes content, and basically just tease them about your launch date. You're going to consider building an email list by offering a discount or a free gift on launch day to those who sign up early. Now, that being said, is the second step, which is to go live. So on launch day, you're going to ensure everything is ready. Double check that your payment gateways, product pages, and customer service options are smoothly functioning, right? And then you're going to announce your launch on all the different platforms. You can run something like a timer on your Instagram story, creating more anticipation, saying that you're running a special promotion like 20 or 30% on orders on the first 3 days. This is going to create that urgency in customers and going to, encourage them to get with their first purchases. So the next up is, how do you get your first sales, right? Once again, the same way we built in the momentum on our marketing, we are going to use social media marketing as well. So on Instagram, we're going to head on instagram.com. And from here, we are going to start showcasing. Let's just open a jewelry page. Luke's Jewelry Instagram. It's just a random Instagram page that I'm going to be opening up, such as this one, just so we can take inspiration from them, right? We're going to be creating high quality posts and different you see this one, like they're showcasing their rings. It's up close. It's like videos of it all together, worn, the edges, the sides, basically just creating anticipation. And what you can also do is you can run paid ads targeting your demographics interested in fashion and accessories. Another amazing thing is you're going to be using influencer marketing, where you can partner with micro influencers who, align with your brand's aesthetic, and collaborate with all these fashion bloggers and send them PRs. So for an exchange for a feature on their social media, this is gonna boost your visibility on your brand. That way you're just creating successful sales. Another thing that you can do is you can implement email marketing, where you can cold call and welcome email to your subscribers, introducing them to Luke's and offering discount on their first few purchases. And also you can run Google and Facebook ads. So if you have a small budget, you can test out different ad creatives to see what resonates with your audience. And Facebook ads, both Facebook and Google ads, can be targeted based on interest. So you might focus on people who have shown interest on luxury fashion or minimalist design. So guys, this is it. This is how you can scale your Shopify store, launch it, and set it up successfully. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching.